Well, alright then everybody, we are on the AND as well as OR logical operators. They give us the ability to check more than one condition concurrently. How is this useful? Here's an example. We have a variable temp, short for temperature. I would like to check to see if my temperature falls within a certain range using an if statement. Is 15 degrees Celsius. That's not a bad temperature. Within the condition of an if statement, I would like to check if my temperature is greater than 0 and less than 30. So within the parentheses, let's check if temp is greater than 0. And to check another condition concurrently, we can use and, which is 2 ampersands. And I would like to check if temp is less than 30. If my temperature falls within this range between 0 and 30, then we execute whatever's within this if statement. Let's display the weather is good. Else, the weather is bad. Our temp is currently 15 degrees Celsius. The weather is good. This condition is true, and this condition is true. With the AND logical operator, both conditions must be true in order for us to execute this if statement. If one of them is false, then we don't. What if our temperature was -10? This condition is false, but this one is true. And using the AND logical operator, both conditions must be true, which they're not in this example, so we skip this if statement and execute the else statement. The weather is bad. Maybe our temperature is 50 degrees Celsius. This time, this condition is true, but this one is false. Therefore, we skip this if statement. The weather is bad. That's one use of the AND logical operator. You can check more than one condition, and it's useful if you need to find if something is within a certain range, like a range of temperatures. Let's talk about the OR logical operator. Using the OR logical operator, either condition can be true in order to execute this if statement. So let's rewrite this. This time, let's check to see if temp is less than or equal to 0, or, which is represented by 2 vertical bars, or temp is greater than or equal to 30. If at least one of these conditions is true, then we execute this if statement, but the weather will be bad. Else, the weather is good. Our temperature is currently 50. The weather is bad. What if our temperature was -10? The weather is still bad. How about 15? Well, the weather is good. Using the OR logical operator, either one of these conditions can be true. If one is false and the other is true, that's completely fine. Now, you can add more than one logical operator. Let's head back to our previous example. I'm just going to undo everything. Let's throw in another variable. Let sunny. Sunny will be a Boolean value. Sunny will equal true if it's sunny outside. If it's cloudy outside, well then sunny will be false. So in order for the weather to be good, the temperature needs to be above 0 and under 30, and sunny needs to be equal to true. But if you're working with a Boolean value, you don't need to say equals true. You can just add that Boolean variable. So our temperature is 15, and sunny is true. All 3 of these conditions are true. Therefore, the weather is good. If the temperature is 15, but it's not sunny outside, that's false. Well then, the weather is bad. You can link more than one condition using these logical operators. So yeah, that's the AND as well as the OR logical operators. You can check more than one condition concurrently. Hey, if this video helped you out, you can help me out by smashing that like button, leave a random comment down below, and subscribe if you'd like to become a fellow bro.